Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A23 with any Android TV. First of all, we are going to give you a disclaimer that phone used is not here A23, but for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used. Okay, let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A23 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that you have connected your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. So check and make sure that you have connected it. Okay, so go to your phone first and go to Wi-Fi sections and see here a Wi-Fi is connected to my phone. That is, the Wi-Fi name is Durai 5G here. The same Wi-Fi should be connected to your TV too. So go to your TV now and make sure that you have connected to the same Wi-Fi, or else you can do mobile hotspot from your phone and connect to your TV. That's also works. Okay, so here I go to settings of my TV and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and yes, my TV is connected to the same Durai 5G Wi-Fi here. Okay, so now come to your phone. Next step you can learn. Just to come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app. Google Home. Search for Google Home app and install this Google Home app. Just click on install and it will be downloaded and installed. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Yes, it is being installed. After installing, just open this Google Home app and whatever phone is asking, just give it. Okay, give the permissions. Click on get started, click on next, give permissions, then select the email ID for your phone, that is a Google Home app. So here carefully you have to select the email ID that you have used in your TV too. The same email ID should be used. So here I have used this email ID in my TV, so I have selected it. Okay, and click on OK and click on next, give permissions and click on location access next and click permissions, and actually location is not needed, so here I skip it and go to devices here, and TV device will be showing here. Just click on the TV device and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now, and your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See the magic here. What I see in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. If you would like to adjust or control the volume, just you can rotate this in the clockwise direction to increase the volume, or anti-clockwise direction to decrease the volume. Okay, so you can control here volume too. Okay, I go to the home page of my phone and I open this app, and that app is also seen in my TV. Okay, I open now gallery. That gallery is also seen in my TV. See, so whatever you are using in your phone, that will be seen in my TV. I open Paytm, that's also seen in my TV. Okay, see. So whatever you do, if you are going to camera of your phone, see, that's also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A23 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.